Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone date and time setting guys. How can we change and how can we use guys Samsung mobile guys phone date and time setting. Today guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we change guys Samsung phone date and time setting. So guys we will on it. After on phone setting guys, we will search the phone date and time setting guys. So guys, we will search the phone date and time setting. Friends, you can see the phone date and time setting guys. We will tap here. When date and time setting guys, you can use from here. Friends, automated date guys. And friends, you can set time. First of all guys, we will change date. So friends, you can see this 20 December guys, you want to change. So as you can change from here like 20 and 25, 20, 19 December, 18 guys, we will tap here. So friends, you can see this set time. So friends, you can change guys your phone time from here like 12 o'clock, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will take this 10 o'clock, 10. And friends, you want to change into guys PM. So guys, you can change from here. And friends, you can see guys automatic time zone guys, you can on and off from here. Use 24-hour guys, you can on and guys, you can off from here. So friends, you can see guys automatic time and date setting guys. You have changed guys your time and you want to set guys automatic. So guys, value will on guys your automatic. Friends, your automatic time and date will set guys. So like that guys, you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to use phone date and time setting and how can we change it. So bye guys.